Guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Z-League in 2024, guys. So if you've already accumulated your prize money or credits on your Z-League app, and if you want to withdraw your funds, you've come to the right place, guys. I'm going to show you just how you can do it. If you just follow these instructions, you can easily access your funds, guys. So first things first, launch the Z-League app, okay? Open this in your device, and then what you want to click on is your profile. Once you click on your profile, you'll access your profile. You want to click this gear icon to your settings. Okay, guys, once you do that, you are going to have to navigate account settings. You have to initiate the cash out process, guys. For example, here we have $10. Now, to initiate the cash out process, what you want to do is you want to click on the cash out button, guys. Click on the cash out button, and then you're gonna have to verify your identity, guys. So you have to upload a valid government document, your ID, or it's gonna your driving license, something like that. Make sure it matches with the name in your account, guys. It's very important. And remember, there are also fees. There's a processing fee of $2. There's also a PayPal fee, depending on the cash amount and location. This is set by PayPal, so this is not Z-League app, so it's by PayPal. And then you'll just have to complete your request. It will be processed, and once the steps are completed, you will have to monitor just your email. You're gonna see any updated notifications, and you'll get your money just like that. Easy, guys. Really easy and simple. If the video helps, make sure you like, comment, and if you want, you can subscribe to Ninja Guides.